Impi yamasoja, impi yamasoja, awuyimpi yamashangane,
impi yamashangane,
kubani isikoko,
kubani
obengaqala jayive, impi yamasoja, awuyimpi yamasoja, impi yamasoja, awuyimpi yamashangane,
impi yamashangane,
kubani isikoko,
kubani obengaqala jayive,
impi yamasoja. Cha, cha, cha. Greetings, 12C, when I am here to say my goodbyes to you guys.
Ow, bye-bye, Metevu. Bye-bye, Metevu, money.
She's not done talking, Lilita. Kengoku, Kengomso. What is happening? Nothing, ma'am. Well, 12C, it's not easy to leave all of you. But the time has come for me to move on to a new chapter. And I want you to know how proud I am of each and every one of you, except you. I am sorry, ma'am. An apology without a change is just a noise. Ngiyaka wena Lilitha utuja noba itujisi wena yatuja qha nothi kuthayila. Listen carefully, girl. My name is not yours to use. So learn the difference between equals and your elders. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Now we are both. We're making a fun time. It must be nice to be you guys. Now go ahead, laugh. In fact, laugh louder, because when I reveal your marks in front of everyone, I want to see if that same joy will still be on your faces. When I reveal your marks, something tells me it won't be. Sorry, man. God, Sorry. That reading oral was out of 20 marks. Specifically, you got 12 out of 20. Where is he? He's not here. Ezra Alaifeni, 8 out of 12. 8 out of 20. Annalisa's Bango, 5 out of 20. Oh, it was tough. Don't know when I say, "Oh, do you man?" So do I say no? Snisipo class 10 out of 20. 10. Well, yeah, I knew this way. 7. Kusala yasingabanye sifikile kwi half. Fikile wena kwi. Before we check. Kanimeni guys, ndifuna uva mna ke ngoku 2 out of 20. I know by break metem soze ngokube ndifunda ngefanta virus ngizofumana u2 I break soze metem ndiyadlala. No love right now, nothing. That's strange. Bye bye 12C. I hope we shall meet someday. Ibetuna nesipina hapa. Hi guys, mastoto yena yekindwa nje. Sitayitoye kodwa sehamba sawutoyela ba. Unjani na wena? Uthini na wena? Kaphinda le nto uyithethayo soze sizovakala. Mina ngibeke kwamanje 12C khona ndizonqanda. Kaphinda le nto uyithethayo zonqanda. Soze sizovakala. Khona wenza ngqondo. Annalisa ndiyaxoxa. Kamanje na bona? Bukan specs kan. Ya mana nasi pun jenis le. Nasi pun mana le jenis le. Ustapon wena ni. Ustapon Annalisa le. Nasi pun shoes, nasi pun teta. Nasi pun jangan ni. Bagi specs nasi pun ni le. Cepat mama. Sizobeka isibek sesizophulile. Asazani ne? No, guys, no. Nasipho. Oh, Annelisa man. Nasipho yandip. Nasipho. Yavakala. Oh, Annelisa. Ndo ulinzi yena wena. Mhlawumbe ngantoni bra ngemela kwenye phela kwenye lesikara. Kedlula wenze yani. Mhlawumbe ngazi bra, mhlawumbe ngantoni Nasipho. Oh, Annelisa into ulinzi la. Befama ndenze ntoni nalilithi. Befama ndenze ntoni endophulela isibike sinje. Ngaza unyaka. Mama bayaqala nami udophulela isibike sikalo. Sikwazi ukuthi ofisini. Wena ufuna udibana noprincipal. Soza umzimelisa sikothi. Soza umzimelisa sikothi. Sinesipho pakami. Isa. Yes.